Go on. Build something. Put it together, Croy. Maddie's going to build a big tower. No fighting. Go ahead.
Well, the mop's gone, but now there's a big melting spot in the ice. Twinkle can't skate on the ice like this. She needs it smooth and fluid.
Oh, Croy, what'd you do?
We can invite some walrus bakers from the Arctic to come to the ice rink. And the walrus bakers will roll the
We should put the kitty cat in the wagon.
rolling pin.
Maybe we could pull Jakey around. What do you think?
Walruses on ice. Will he get out?
Probably. Cubby won't fit in it. Or Bebe won't fit in it.
Oh, that idea is as pretty as pink, Twink. But walruses aren't very good at skating routines.
I guess Croy's not interested in the blocks, is he? Well, then we won't bring the other ones out. Look what Maddie's building. And here I thought Croy would be the one that would like the Mega Bloks. No, he's not, is he? Let me see what Maddie's building. Let me see what Maddie's building. Wow, check it out. Maddie. Maddie, say hi to Rico. Say, I just got up, so I don't really look that great in the morning, do I?
Right. Right.
Hey, no hitting.
No, they're mine. I was doing it.
Maddie.
No, these are mine.
Actually, Maddie, I bought those for Croy. Maddie? That wasn't very nice, Maddie. He's showing it to you.
Remind your friends to be careful on the ice, then you too can be.
Hello, Twinkle. It's time. Are you ready? Sure am, Mrs. Whiskers. Thanks to Mr. Ice Officer.
Okay, Twinkle. Go out there
Maddie.
and twirl like you've never
Maddie, who do you like?
McCain.
You like McCain. And who don't you like? Obama and Hillary. You want McCain to be president? And you want McCain to come over here, don't you? Oh. Croy, look at Grandma. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi to Uncle Jason. Well, he can't see you when your head's down. Madison. Say hi to Uncle Jason.